If you want to sell your house, you might be worried that buyer demand has disappeared due to the current mortgage rates. But it turns out that there's still plenty of buyers out there, and they're quite active. Check this out. According to a recent Freddie Mac survey, 18% of respondents say that they're likely to buy a home in the next 6 months. That's nearly 1 out of every 5 people who plan to buy sometime in the second half of the year. If you decide to sell, that means that there will be buyers out there who will be interested in your house, and I can help you find them. That strong demand is because buyers are getting used to where the mortgage rates are right now. Buyers pulled back when rates went up from 3% to 7% last year, but they've been around 6 to 7% since October, and buyers have adjusted to this new norm. I can help you get your house on the market and get the attention of these interested buyers. If you're ready to make a move, give me a call, 803-814-6136, and let's chat. And if you're watching me on YouTube, hit the bell button or the subscribe button and learn about my new videos every week.